First, what we want to do is adjust this handle assembly. So you're going to pull this here, this lever, and you're going to go about hip height, and now kind of push forward.
I'll push forward. Okay.
Okay, so that's let it down. Now we want to let it down even more because we want hip height, right?
Yeah.
So we're just going to, there you go. Okay, this right here controls your jets.
Mm-hmm.
This controls your brush. Pre-spray, right, or jet, and then as soon as you hit that, and it's not going to go anywhere. It's really easy to use. So
Okay.
turn it on.
Just lift it up?
No, you don't have to. And that's it.
Oh,
so yeah, it's very, very easy to use. So you can put additional weights on this. I wouldn't suggest it for carpet, but see right here, David, these little fasteners.
Yeah.
You can put weight kits on here if you choose to do so. So that, I would use that maybe for heavy duty cleaning of your ceramic tile that's out there in the foyer, right? You can get the weight kit on there. Again, you'd probably just put a mild degreaser through here or a peroxide cleaner, right? Put it on the floor, allow it to dwell a little bit, and then use the machine. So let's just spray a little bit more water here, and then so we'll just keep spraying. And see how I'm kind of doing this back and forth motion? Like that's the best way because you're going to get you're overlapping properly, right? Now again, best practice would be to pre-soak the pad, right? Okay, because then you don't have to put as much water down. Okay, see how it's pretty dark, right?
Yeah.
So let's just get some water on there. Can you just move the cord towards you, Tyson?
Coffee stains?
Yeah, oh yeah, for sure. Now you might need a special treatment, but yeah, this will...
Oh yeah.
Look at that difference. Yeah, but how efficient, like it's super efficient and easy to use. And the reason why like we sell these isn't just from the carpet aspect. It's because they're so versatile, right? Because it's orbital technology. Like I said, you can use it on VCT, linoleum, you can use it on marble, slate, quarry tile. Like there isn't really a surface besides maybe hardwood is maybe the only thing I maybe wouldn't suggest using it on. But other than that, yeah, like look at the difference.
Let's get a little bit right here.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
So you can see how well it sprays too, right? Like see the fan spray?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the really nice thing about it is it's really easy to use. And you can pre-spray with this instead of just using a pump sprayer. So, okay, so we'll do this area. Yes, that's exactly what it does. So because a bonnet pad is looped, okay, so if you actually, I'll show you this pad after, but bonnet pads are looped, okay, so the looped fibers attach to the carpet fibers, right, okay, and and because it's orbital, they pull the dirt from underneath the carpet soils up and lifts it into this pad. Yeah, and you'll see it right away here, so. All right, so I'm just going to show you here real quick, just to show you the effectiveness of just the pad. So we're just going to stick this back up here, right? And then this is just weighted. And I'll show you. Right, so you see the effectiveness of how dirty the pad is, right? It gets pretty soiled. But the nice thing about it is it's not like overly crazy dirty, on the pad. So it allows you to use it for a lot of square footage, right? And then you just throw it in the laundry machine, right? So, really effective, really easy to use. Realistically, you're probably going to get 150,000 square feet out of a pad like this.
Yeah.
This is meant for deep cleaning, okay? So what you're going to mostly use this for is, heavier deep cleans maybe every month or if that front foyer, when we first walked in, I see the matting isn't really great, right? So that entrance vestibule area there, and then that hallway going up to the reception desk. I mean, this thing will clean that up so well, right? So, and then obviously being able to use it for carpet bonneting like we just did, you know, using it in this fitness center, using it in the hallways, using it upstairs, right? It's definitely what I would use it for. All right.
For more product details and unbeatable pricing, visit our website, regentsupply.com. Don't forget to like this video and comment below for any equipment demonstration requests you may have.